In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload digital products to Shopify. Whether you're launching your first online store or adding new items to your inventory, this guide will ensure you navigate the Shopify platform smoothly and effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to the homepage of your store. This is your main hub where you can manage various aspects of your store, from sales and customer data to product listings. Once you are on your homepage, locate the products section in your dashboard. Clicking on products will take you to a new page where you can manage your inventory and product details. From here, you'll see an option to add product. Click on it and you'll be directed to a blank product page. This is where you'll input all the details about your digital product. Let's start by adding a title. The title should be succinct yet descriptive enough for your customers to know exactly what they're purchasing. It's important that this is both engaging and informative to capture the attention of potential buyers. Next up, you'll want to provide a description for your digital product. A detailed description can make all the difference. Here's where you tell the story of your product, what problems it solves, how it can enhance users' lives, or any special features it might offer. Feel free to use bullet points or short paragraphs to make this section clean and easy to read. Remember, clarity is key. After you've filled in the description, it's time to upload your digital product file. Look for the Upload New option on this page. This allows you to attach your digital product file, whether it's an ebook, a digital art piece, or any downloadable item you're selling. Make sure the file size and format are supported by Shopify to avoid any issues during this step. With your product file uploaded, the next thing you want to do is add a price. Consider your pricing strategy carefully. It should reflect the value of your product while being competitive enough in your market. Once you've determined the right price, enter it in the designated field. Now that all your product information is in place and your file is uploaded, there's just one last step: saving your work. Simply click on the Save button to make sure everything you've added is secured and ready to be published. And there you have it, you've successfully added a digital product to your Shopify store. This process not only gets your digital products ready for sale, but also helps set you up for success by presenting your products effectively to potential customers. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Shopify experience. Thank you for watching.